Welcome to Tab Notes, the extension that turns your browser into a fast, distraction-free note-taking workspace. To install Tab Notes, open the Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. Once added, Tab Notes will automatically set up your new tab page as your primary workspace. If you prefer to keep your default browser new tab, don't worry. I will show you how to customize that setting at the end of this video. When you open your first new tab, you will see a welcome screen asking you to choose your preferred storage method. Browser storage keeps all your notes stored locally on your device with no login required. Keep in mind that clearing your browser cache can erase local data. Google Drive Sync automatically backs up and syncs your notes across devices directly to your personal Google Drive account. For now, let's select Browser Storage and click Continue. You can easily switch to Google Drive Sync at any time. This is the main Tab Notes workspace. On the left sidebar, you can organize and manage multiple notes. Let's rename this default note to Welcome Note, and then click the New Note button to create a second one called Test Tab Notes. Tab Notes provides powerful rich text formatting tools. You can customize font styles, change sizes, and apply headings. Format content with bold, italics, underlines, and bulleted lists. Write code with built-in code blocks featuring automatic syntax highlighting. Insert and organize data cleanly with responsive markdown tables. Tab Notes also features an integrated drawing canvas directly on your note page. Add shapes like rectangles, squares, or circles. Type text directly inside shapes, adjust fill colors, or change border thickness. Freely move, resize, and rotate any shape on your canvas. You have full ownership of your data. You can download and export your notes as standard plain text or markdown files with a single click. Next, let's open Settings. Adjust interface font scaling and reposition the sidebar menu to the left, right, or top to match your personal workflow. Themes. Choose from a wide collection of built-in dark and light themes, or build your own custom color scheme using the Theme Designer. Under the Storage tab, you can migrate your local data to the cloud at any time. Click Migrate to Google Drive to sign in with your Google account. Tab Notes will instantly sync your existing local notes to your private Google Drive and load any notes previously saved from your other devices. Your profile avatar, account name, and real-time sync status will appear directly in the sidebar. You don't have to open a new tab to access your notes while browsing the web. You can use Tab Note Action Popup also. Pin Tab Notes to your Chrome Extensions toolbar and click the icon to open the Action Popup. The pop-up gives you quick scratchpad access to write, edit, switch notes, or change themes over any website you visit. Click the Enlarge button inside the pop-up to open the full-screen Standalone workspace in a dedicated tab. Finally, if you want to restore Chrome's default new tab page while keeping the extension active, open Settings. Scroll down to New Tab Behavior and toggle off New Tab Takeover. Your default browser start page is restored, and you can continue using Tab Notes via the toolbar pop-up or the standalone full-screen window whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and happy writing!